I want to advise the Nigeria police that your primary responsibility as a security agency, police specifically, is to detect and prevent crime. We have seen over time the Nigeria police have become shadow of itself. Taking Edo State, for example, the police in Edo State are no longer concerned about fighting crime. They are no longer concerned about fighting cultism, fighting armed robbery, kidnapping, rape, and other crime.
My friend, come here. Come here to this place. Where are you going to?
Sir, we are coming from our friend's house. We are going home.
Hey, scoop it. Let me see your phone. Hold this one for me.
Yeah! Yeah!
No, lock it. You are using an iPhone. You are a Yahoo boy.
No, sir, I'm not a Yahoo boy.
Okay, it's also a Yahoo boy.
Yeah!
They are Yahoo boys.
The police that is made to protect us.
Boy.
You are following us straight to the station.
Is not intimidating us. Killing our people.
You can't slap me.
I'm not a Yahoo boy.
You have to ask how much you see.
The police today is no longer interested in fighting criminality in Edo State. They now go after our youths, tagging and branding them Yahoo boys, which ordinarily ought not to be. Yes, I'm Comrade Curtis Ogbebo, the founder and national coordinator of Freedom Ambassadors Organization, human rights organization. We defend humanity.